Clean y'all brushes because the things that are lingering there are nasty.
You are now watching The Curl Poppy.
What's up, YouTube? ¿Qué lo que? My name is Christian Ramos and I'm the one, the only, the Curl Poppy. If you like curly hair content, which I know you do because you clicked on this video, please press subscribe. If you're a returning viewer and subscriber, you're was good. Okay, I have a really important question for the room, so come close. Come. I gotta ask you something. When's the last time you guys cleaned your brushes, bonnets, and hair ties? A study by the University of Arizona uncovered that brushes are the worst breeding ground for bacteria. The average hairbrush harbors almost 3,500 colonies of bacteria per square inch, thanks to the buildup of dead skin cells and lingering hair products. Not cleaning your hairbrush can lead to germs and bacteria being passed onto your hair and scalp from the residue on the brush, and this can leave your hair looking not only greasy, but also limp and lifeless. Not all of the bacteria is harmful, but if you leave it to thrive, baby, it is gonna be looking broke, busted, can't be trusted, funky with odor, and it can lead to irritation of the skin and scalp. Getting and keeping healthy hair takes time. I know a thing or two. Yes, baby, look at these, look at these curls. But cleaning your brushes 1 to every 2 weeks takes no time at all. To ensure we're cleaning our brushes properly, you want to start off by removing all the hair that's found in your brushes. You can use a comb that has a rat tail or anything with a point. Next, you're gonna get some warm water in a bowl or even in the sink and add some clarifying shampoo, or do what I do and use antibacterial soap. Let your brushes soak for 2 to 3 minutes so that the water can start breaking down product residue, and then go ahead and scrub those bad boys down. The real important part is not putting your brushes away wet. Grab a towel and dry them to your best ability. Place the towel down and leave them overnight to ensure they dry properly. Putting them away wet defeats the purpose of you cleaning them. They can get nasty and moldy, and you literally just made the situation a lot more worse. Another pro tip, every 1 to 2 weeks, make sure you're cleaning your hair ties, your scrunchies, your bonnets, your pillowcases, because those things also harbor bacteria, and we don't got no time for that. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at thecurlpapi because you already know I'll be posting some fleeky pics out here. And until next time guys, bye!